Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how I made this DIY hair and face scrub using simple kitchen ingredients that help nourish your hair and your skin. So stay tuned, I'll be right back.
Oh, it's Rita, baby.
Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rita. So let me introduce you to the items I will be using. I'm going to be using 1 egg, I'm going to be using coffee, and I'm also going to use some sugar. So I started off with 2 tablespoons of coffee, which helps exfoliate the scalp, improve blood flow, and can even stimulate hair growth. So it also works as a gentle scrub for face, leaving it smooth and glowing. So the next thing, I added 3 tablespoons of unrefined sugar. You can use either brown or white sugar. Sugar is a natural exfoliant that helps remove dead skin cells and build up from the scalp and the face. So then I crack 1 whole egg. Yes, both the yolk and the white. The egg is packed with protein and nutrients that strengthen the hair, add shine, and also help tighten and nourish the skin. So to bring it all together, I added a bit of shampoo to help mix the clean and cleanse at the same time. Okay, after mixing everything into a smooth paste, this is how it is looking, the consistency. This is how it's going to be. Then I'm going to be applying this in my hair and I'll massage it. So for the rest of the mixture, you will see what I did to it. So the next thing I did is to transfer this in an applicator bottle, because this is the easiest way for me to apply this in my hair. I don't want to be scooping it from the bowl. It's easier when you transfer it to a bottle, to an applicator bottle, so it will be easier for you to use. Okay, if you have watched this video up to this moment, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, tell me what you think about DIYs in the comment section, and don't forget to click on that notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. So this is how easy this will be coming out from this bottle when you're applying it in your hair. So I thought I was videoing myself while applying this first, but I didn't know that my video was kind of on a pause. But anyways, you can see what I'm doing here is part of it. So I applied it on my hair like this. I had these braids for 3 weeks now. So yeah, so I'll just apply it in this braid and massage it well. Don't forget the strands of your hair, guys. It's very important. So I keep applying this in my hair until all my hair is fully coated, and then I applied the remaining one on my face for a little self-care glow. You know what I mean? So after all these things, I went ahead to look for my steamer cap wherever it was, and then I wire it on my head and allow this mixture to sit in my hair for 10 minutes. This will help all the nutrients penetrate deeply into my scalp. Now that this is set, I'm going to just sit down and try to read some book or try to follow up with my emails, and then I will go ahead and rinse off my hair with my regular shampoo and conditioner, and then I wash my face. So the result, my scalp felt fresh and clean. My hair was super soft, and if I could put the volume of this was just so smooth. It's very dry, it was smooth, I couldn't feel a thing. Anyways, so my hair is super soft, my face felt smooth and hydrated. Let me know if you'll be trying this, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY treatments. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.